Hey makers, welcome back to Hub360 Embedded Sphere. Today I'm going to show you how to build a wireless AirMouse using the ESP32, the Adafruit MPU6050 and the BLE mouse library. Instead of using a normal mouse, you'll be able to move your computer cursor just by tilting your hand. Super fun and easy to build. Let's jump right in. For this project, you will need ESP32 board, MPU6050 accelerometer, a breadboard, jumper wires, a pair of 3.7 volts lithium battery. You can get all these at hub360.com.ng. Connections. First, we'll be connecting the ESP32 to the MPU6050. First, connect the VCC pin to 3.3 volts on the ESP32. Next, we'll connect the ground of the MPU6050 to the ground of the ESP32. Next, we'll connect the SCL pin to GPIO22 pin of the ESP32. And lastly, we'll connect the SDA pin to GPIO21 pin of the ESP32. Connect the positive wire of your battery to the V-in of the ESP32. Note, this should not be more than 7.4 volts. And connect the negative wire of the battery to the ground of the ESP32. Make sure your wires are tight because 90% of MPU errors come from loose I2C wiring. Let's explain what's happening in the code. We include the BLE mouse and MPU6050 libraries. The ESP32 connects to your PC as a Bluetooth mouse. The MPU6050 provides real-time gyro rotation values. The .move function sends the cursor movements to your computer. Tilting the ESP32 board moves the cursor accordingly. Smooth, simple and powerful. Upload the code and open your PC's Bluetooth settings. Connect to AirMouse ESP32. Once paired, tilt left, cursor moves left, tilt right, cursor moves right, tilt forward, cursor moves up, and tilt backward, cursor moves down. You now have a fully functioning gesture-controlled wireless mouse. In this tutorial, you learned how to convert gyro rotation into mouse cursor movements, how to use the BLE mouse library to turn an ESP32 into Bluetooth mouse. You now understand both hardware wiring and software logic behind an AirMouse. And that's it, makers. Your ESP32 powered AirMouse is ready. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment on what you want me to build next. This is Hub360 Embedded Sphere, helping you bring your ideas to life.